heart-touching friendship quotes. A real friend is one who walks in when the rest of the world walks out. Friendship is born at the moment when one person says to another, "What? You too? I thought I was the only one." A friend is someone who understands your past, believes in your future, and accepts you just the way you are. Friendship is the golden thread that ties the heart of all world. Friendship is the only cement that will ever hold the world together. Friends are those rare people who ask, "How are you?" and wait to hear the answer. A friend knows the song in my heart and sings it to me when my memory fails. Truly, great friends are hard to find, difficult to leave, and impossible to forget. Friends may forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Life is meant for good friends and great adventures. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. There are friends, that's family, and there are friends who became family. Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. In the cookie of life, friends are the chocolate chips. True friends never apart, maybe in distance, but never in heart. Friendship is when people know all about you, but like you anyway. A good friend is like a four-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have. Awards became corroded, but friends gather noticed.